He trying to impress her, y'all. That's her song. He done turned it on her song.
Yeah, we get somewhere now.
Yeah, we get somewhere, y'all. That's me. Look out, look out.
Put a bitch down, $7, we respond to that shit, nigga.
Got Miss Midnight Maverick in here, y'all. Call me so I can make it juicy for ya. Call me so I can make it juicy for ya. What you know about that, man? Yeah.
Dancing all down the lane.
Oh, you seen me? Boom! Small block or big block? Big block, okay. Nitrous, turbo, or supercharged? Okay, she got nitrous. What you got? So she got a supercharger. Look out, y'all. Y'all on my YouTube channel? Look out. Y'all on my YouTube channel? It don't matter because you with him. That don't mean your phone say subscribe. You need to check on your uncle now. Okay, your auntie on there. Okay, tell auntie. Hey, auntie girl. She on here right now. Auntie. Oh, miss, you look focused, miss. I'm proud of you then, miss. I know you. I make that body sing. I make it say, wee, 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 wee. Miss, you on my YouTube channel? Okay, small block or big block?
Oh, big block.
Oh, you representing the big block. Nitrous, turbo, or supercharger? Okay, big block nitrous. Stock bottom end or forged bottom end? You gotta pick one, whichever one you want. Okay, you gotta pick one. You can't go 300,000 miles and spray 500 shot. Oh, Lord, she dangerous, y'all.
Blow it up! Blow the motherfucker up! Blow the bitch up! Blow it up!
horn. 632 now. On that big block with the
Look at this motherfucker.
Hey, look, I ain't got no bad feet.
crank,
I
y'all.
had some bad
I be fucking people up.
feet.
Who did that crank like that?
That's crazy.
You on my YouTube channel? Tell your uncle them when you get done. Yeah, you got kids? Tell them too. They like little toys and drones and stuff. I got a drone. Tell your kids them I got a drone. Yeah, and I be flying it out in the air. You know, you see the wings.